Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. Today, come back with me, Yulia Havilza Panjaitan. Talk about District Asahan, which is famous. It's a natural tourism. One of them is Ponot Waterfall. You can be used a place to spend free time with your family, your friend, and another people. Here the compare for you. The waterfall is located in Tangga Village, Songsongan District Asahan Regency, at an altitude of about 250 meters. Ponot Waterfall can be accessed from three places, namely from Porsia in Tobasa Regency, Pematang Siantar in Simalungun Regency, and Ranto Parapat in Asahan Regency. From the city Medan itself, tourists usually take about 6 hours by road. During the trip to Ponot Waterfall, there are many views that can be enjoyed. If you go through the Parapat area, the panorama of Lake Toba is the main dish. Arriving at the Ponot Waterfall tourist area, tourists will be greeted by a large gate. Tourists still have to walk about 500 meters to get to the lip of the waterfall. Ponot Waterfall is located in the Ponot River, which is a tributary of the Asahan River. It is located at an altitude of about 500 meters above sea level. The typical view of this location is the waterfall, which is covered with green trees. Not far from Ponot Waterfall, there are a number of small waterfalls that can also be seen. The flow of Ponot Waterfall is not a distinct vertical type, but there are 2 until 3 levels that beautify the drop of water. Drop of water that would fall on the stone spreads place like dew that instantly make the air feel cool. Many tourists take pictures around the roads. Seen from the front of the Ponot, here it is. information closes our meeting today. I, Yulia Havilza Panjaitan, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.